This is called ward off. What we're doing in Kung Fu or Karate, it would be called an outer block. From here, out. The leg kicks downwards. This block is shoulder height. My left arm is going to extend on a straight line in front of me with the fingers pointing forward. But the weight is still on the back leg. When we do the parry, try and keep your arm extended. Be careful not to do this. And clear the body. This is part of the evasion, if you like. So if you drop it here before you finish, because what you're doing, someone's punching here, right? So she blocks, but she doesn't quite get it right. But she's turning her body out of the way anyway, so I'm going to miss. So it's also this kind of thing. So but now we're here, and then here. But people tend to do this. They drop it, they don't actually do it. Yeah, so you're also pulling your arm back a little bit. But a little bit more. Keep the arm out. Parry. Okay.